Hello all, welcome to SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the smart features in SurveyPod DGNSS. In this video, we will see how to stake out points using a rover. Open the SurveyPod app and go to the Survey tab. Create a new project with a suitable title. Now select rover from here. Enter the project and you can see your current location with the base map. Suppose you have taken the points and want to stake out the first point. Click on the point you want to stake out. Here, the selected point is 0 and our current location is near the third point. Now, click on this side arrow and go to stake out. You can see a line pointing to the selected point, that is 0. Also, you can see the northing easting distance shown below. Slowly start moving to the point. As you start moving towards the point, the distance decreases. Using a compass and the northing easting distance, you can locate the point. Once you reach near the point, you get to hear the beep from the mobile. When the beep sound is more frequent, it means that you are very near to the point. Once you find the point, the voice says point staked out.
Staked out. Staked out.
This is how you find and stake out a point. To stake out the point, the rover should be held upright and make sure to keep the bubble in the center while staking out the point. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you understood how to stake out points using a rover. And thank you for watching the video.